Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 on VMware Workstation. That is the latest version from the Ubuntu. Go to Ubuntu official website and download ubuntu.com. Then click on Get Ubuntu. Then select Ubuntu Server. Then click on Get Ubuntu Server. Scroll down. See here we have the Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS version. Click on download and its size is 2.6 gigabytes. So click on this download 24.04.1 LTS. Click on it. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 2.6 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. VMware Workstation Pro. It is free to download and install for personal use. Now, click on Create a new virtual machine or File and select New Virtual Machine. Both are same. Click on Next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on Browse. Then select the downloaded Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 ISO file. Click on Open. Click on Next. Then provide the name UB24041 VM Server. See, this is the virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this Browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder and click on OK. Then click on Next. Then provide the hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on Next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to customize, you have to click on Customize and you can select the options. I am okay with these options. And also see here, power on this virtual machine after creation. Don't select the checkbox. Keep the checkbox as unticked. Then click on Finish. See, still if you want to edit settings of this virtual machine, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Then you can provide the specifications. Or right click and select Settings. Or select it here and click on VM, then Settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on Power on this virtual machine. See here we have the options like try or install Ubuntu Server and test memory. So select the first option, that is try or install Ubuntu Server and hit enter. Select the language. See, we can select the language by using, see here, up and down and enter keys. Okay. So if you want to select UK English, you have to select this one, or simply default English, select English and by using up and down arrows and hit enter. See here we have the update to the new installer or continue without updating. So select the continue without updating and hit enter. Layout English US, and if you want, use the tabs to come to these options. I'm okay with these options, that is keyboard options. Click on select done and hit enter. See, choose the type of installation, Ubuntu Server or Ubuntu Server minimized or additional options. So I'm going only with Ubuntu Server. Use the tabs to come to these options. See, use the tabs and select the done and hit enter. I'm okay. Proxy address I'm not going to provide, so select done and hit enter. This is the mirror address. Hit enter. Use an entire disk and select done and hit enter. See, this is the storage configuration information. Select it and review it and done or reset or go back and you can do that. I'm going with all defaults, so hit enter. That is done. Select, this is confirmation, select continue. Now we have to create a user, so provide username as, it is up to you. Then provide the server's, your server's name, that is host name. I'm giving host name as UB24041 yes. Then provide the username. The above one is the user full name. Then provide the password for this user. Then select done and hit enter. See, Now if you want to enable Ubuntu Pro, you have to use this up and down arrows and select. I don't want, so select the skip and select continue. If you want to install OpenSSH server, press enter or spacebar. Okay. Then select done. See, now installation has been started. This may take time. Okay. See, installation is completed. Now click on tabs to come to reboot now and hit enter. Now we have to remove the installation medium, then press enter. So Alt Control to come out the cursor, settings, then select CD DVD and unselect this power on, connect at power on. Then click on OK. Now hit enter. Hit enter and provide the login name that we have given, Arto Schools, or you can give root. Then provide the password that we have given to this user. See, we have successfully connected to Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. See, this system load usage of RAM and all, okay, memory usage and everything. And this is the IP address of this machine. Even we can also verify by running ifconfig. Control A, ifconfig. So, see, we don't have ifconfig command, so install it. apt install net-tools. Hit enter. It is done. Now run ifconfig. See, we got the same IP. You can also get the IP address by running the command ip addr. Hit enter. See, we got the same IP. See here, we have the same IP. Okay. You can also verify the version of the Ubuntu server that we have installed by running the commands more/etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Ubuntu server 24.04.1 LTS. The first step after connecting to Ubuntu server is we have to update the packages. So, sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS on VMware. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.